Welcome to EZO. We're here to make charging your EV quick, simple, and stress-free. To get started, download the EZO app from the Apple or Google Play Store and set up your account. In the app, you'll find two ways to pay. One, EZO Wallet. Top it up anytime and use your balance to charge. Two, EZO Charge and Go. Just add your card and pay as you go based on energy used. Using our Inch Duo chargers? You've got four easy options. Via the app. We always recommend that you plug in the charger first. Then open the app, tap on Map and select Charger. Select the charger and connector. Tap Select and charging will commence. When finished, open the app, stop the session, and unplug your EV with your EZO fob or RFID card. Plug in the charger. Tap your fob or RFID card. Charging starts automatically. To stop, tap again and press Stop on the charger screen. Unplug your EV with a debit or credit card. Plug in the charge. Select credit/debit on screen and tap your card. Wait for price confirmation. Charging begins. To stop, press the Stop button on the charger. Unplug your EV via QR code. Plug in the charger. Scan QR code. Tap Initiate Charging on the web page. Agree to the terms and enter your card details. Charging will start. Reopen the web page and stop charging. Unplug your EV. If you need support, please call our 24/7 support line. Thank you for charging with EZO.